everyone. Today we'll be talking about countif and countifs function in Excel. So what does countif function do? Let's say we have a range of cells and we want to find the number of cells which satisfies a particular condition or criteria. So in this example we have 15 rows. So let's say we want to find the number of rows which satisfies some specific condition. So in order to do that, countif function can be used. So let's take an example and see how countif function is used in Excel. Okay. This particular table shows us the orders which an e-commerce firm has got on various days in various zones in India. So let's say we want to find the number of days on which the orders which the e-commerce firm has got is greater than 50. So the days on which the orders is greater than 50, this can be found out by using the count if function. So we'll start by typing in the function countif function, and then we'll see what are the arguments of countif function. uh, so the argument of a countif function is the range and the criteria. So the range is the range on which the search would be made. So our range would be E20 to E34, and what we are interested is the criteria is we should find the number of rows, number of days on which the orders were greater than 50. The criteria is greater than 50. So once we give the range and the criteria, the counter function will give the number of rows, number of days on which the orders were greater than 50. So let's see what the counter function returns. Okay, so as you can see, the counter function is written 8 rows, which means that on 8 days the on 8 days the number of orders which the e-commerce firm has got is greater than 50. Let's verify that by checking. So this is one day, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So on 8 days uh, the e-commerce firm has got more than 50 orders. Okay, this is one way of searching the table, and we have searched only the number of orders. Let's say we need to find the number of days on which the east zone has got more than 50 orders. So in this case we are going to check two columns. One, we are going to check whether this particular column has east zone, and whether this particular column has more than 50. So in order to find on how many days each zone has got more than 50 orders, we can't use countif function, because in countif function only one range can be searched. So in order to search multiple ranges and come up with a count, we can use countifs function. The countifs function, we can specify multiple ranges in countif function. So if you can see in the uh, see here. Okay, first we are going to find in this particular range east. So after we find out the days on which the east has got orders, we'll check the number of orders range and see on how many days uh, east zone has got more than 50 orders. So if we do this, sorry sorry it's not exactly 50, it's greater than 50. Okay, so this means that on 3 days the east zone has got uh, more than 50 orders. We'll confirm it by cross checking it manually. So let's filter out by east zone. As you can see, on 3 days the east zone has got more than 50 orders. These are the examples of countif and countifs functions. So basically these two functions can be used to find the number of rows in a particular range which satisfies one condition or multiple conditions. Countif is going to search for search in one range for one condition. Countifs is going to search multiple ranges for multiple conditions in order to arrive at a count which satisfies the condition or the conditions. Thank you.